Welcome to this channel. In this video series, we are trying to learn Solidworks VBA API. In this tutorial, we will be learning about what VBA is and what it can do for us. Let's talk a little about VBA. It stands for Visual Basic for Applications. Visual Basic is a Microsoft programming language. Now, if you have never done programming before, this might seem scary. However, it actually can be quite simple once you learn the basics. Basic was developed back in 1960s as a learning tool for programmers. In the 1990s, Microsoft released the first Visual Basic for Windows applications. Today, VBA doesn't have much in common with Basic, but Basic is indeed the foundation on which VBA was built. Now, the question is, why VBA? If you have 1,000 jobs in SolidWorks, but some of them you do every day, or some of them every week, or some of them every month, then you absolutely must learn how to program. You can make things fast, accurate, and reliable. VBA is closely related to Visual Basic and uses the Visual Basic runtime library. However, VBA code normally can only run within a host application rather than a standalone program. VBA can control one application from another using OLE automation. So we conclude this tutorial